Welcome to 1000 PS TV. Today we tested the track day tire ContiTrack Slick at the Pannonia Ring in Hungary. We really hit the gas with the Panigale V2, and now we'll tell you our impressions of the day. As a slick, the ContiTrack was developed specifically for use on the racetrack. Unlike the latest big-size, high-performance products on the market, the ContiTrack was trimmed for high durability with high performance at the same time. First introduced in 2016, there were always minor revisions and new compounds for the ContiTrack. In 2023, our 1000 PS racing expert Martin Bauer got his hands on it for the first time and directly burned the time under 2 minutes into the Hungarian asphalt on a Panigale V2. For the fact that we write at the time of our test in the calendar only the month of April, the conditions at the Pannonia Ring were excellent. It was sunny and with 20 degrees outside temperature, pleasantly spring-like. Martin Bauer was riding a current Ducati Panigale V2 with Öhlins suspension and Illenberger carbon racing fairing for the test. The rest of the vehicle was mostly in its original condition. For our test, the Ducati was fitted with ContiTrack on the front in the soft compound 120/70R17 and on the rear in the medium compound 180/60R17. As is typical for Conti, it has a soft construction that filters out bumps well and thus does not overly stress the suspension. Therefore, no special setting has to be found in the suspension to make the ContiTrack work. The contour is very handling oriented and allows very easy turn-in and lean angle changes. Even if this doesn't necessarily influence the lap time, it helps to save energy in the long run. It can also be held well in lean position on narrow lines. Corrections in low lean angles are possible, which definitely has a positive effect on the lap time. ContiTrack lap time 1:59 works out easy at the Pannonia Ring. The initial grip is really good with the compound used, even if expensive high-performance slicks can certainly do more, but the drop is then less. An advantage for all who want to drive the tire longer than just one day. Also, the wear pattern is inconspicuous, at least on the Pannonia Ring, which is not always a matter of course, especially in cool temperatures. Thus, the slick shines especially in the price-performance ratio and can also be seen in the driven lap times. ContiTrack dimensions and compounds. The ContiTrack 2023 is offered in 2 front wheel and 1 rear wheel compounds. The following dimensions are on the shelves at tire dealers. Dimensions in the front 120/70R17 and in the rear 180/60R17 and 255R17. We can recommend the Conti Slick with a good conscience for the track day. We hope the video was informative for you. Feel free to comment if you have any questions, we will try to answer everything. Subscribe to our channel, then you will not miss any more videos, and leave us a like. Until next time, see you soon.